Hi, website owner or content management person or digital creator. Let's talk about digital marketing strategies that you can use right now, this minute. Okay? Well, maybe not if you're driving. But anyway, the first one they want to talk about, and this is to discuss the digital marketing strategies with your team members or to think about them for yourself. Okay? If you're just a one-man operation, or if you've got a team, then share with your team. Anyway, understanding the customer is the first order of business. If you kept track of who's using your goods or your services, then you're going to know who to market to. If it's not 14-year-olds, then don't waste your time, okay? Understanding SEO and SEM, search engine optimization and search engine marketing both have a role in digital marketing strategies, and understanding what those are is important. You might have one person that does SEO and another person that does SEM. Make sure that they're both in the know of what's going on, what the campaign is about, and so forth. And scrolling down in the image, if you're on YouTube, you can see what I'm seeing. Local search marketing. You're going to provide goods and services to there in the neighborhood, okay? And there's a link in the Google document, talks more about that. Content marketing and email marketing are both relevant, and there's a note in there about suggestions from WebFX. I guess you'd call them an influencer, all right? Some good brain food there. Conversion rate optimization. If you really, really want to do a good job, then look at your conversion rate optimization, and there's a link in there from Smart Insights in this Google document as well. To find the Google document, simply go to theguyrclickreport.podbean.com and look for this title, and bazinga, that'll take you there. And there's a share link in YouTube to see this as well, right below the comments. So there you have it. Join the Guy R. Click Report again in the next episode, where we continue to bring you the latest insights in the world of digital marketing. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRClick.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.